fellow citizens of this planet. Today we are gonna do this drawing. Yes, it's Pikachu, because it's the coolest Pokemon in the world? No. Everybody knows that water type Pokemon is the best. What is his name? Bubbleman? What? Yes, it's this one. The biggest boss in the street. Yeah. Okay, for now let's make a Pikachu, and I will start with this big circle with a radius of 80. That's a good start. It's like armored Pikachu. Okay, I will leave it like this. I like it. I think it's much better than this. So let's color it and choose a solid and yellow color and just click here. Oh fuck. Okay, why not? It's red. It's killing Pikachu. What the hell? Okay, this is nice. It doesn't need to be perfect like this. Fuck it. I like this. This is better. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and leave a comment below. I hope you enjoy it and see you next time. Bye.